Here we go. QwKPrints. 4,500 sales. They do not have a banner image of any real note here. Quinn, I'd recommend getting a banner image. It's good, but good reviews on here. Again, not fully up in like the Etsy star seller status because of probably not responding to messages every 24 hours. Totally get it. That is completely fair in the context of this. But featured items here, Crocs, Croc accessories, really popular type of item. People understand that and there's a fandom around it. You want to target those niches for that kind of stuff. Pricing is really good. I would recommend getting a sale on these so that, again, you send a ping out to your existing followers and they'll get a notification that that item is available and just a reminder that that item is there to buy. So if you do that intermittently throughout the month or so, you can get a lot more sales from that. But overall, let's go ahead and take a look at the bestseller here. Video inside the listing, excellent. That's exactly what you want so they can advertise it on TikTok for you. Good photography, good item. A lot of good variation on there. Oh, you're allowing full customization of people being able to put in text. That can be a bit cumbersome and tougher for like if you wanted to like plug into our print farm, Quinn, they'd have to be more preset. Customization doesn't quite work on there very easily, so it's tough to scale up this kind of stuff outside of your own operations. But this allows you to focus on these types of custom items, and then simpler things can be kind of offloaded to folks. Let's look at all of the items that you got here. These are all multicolor, like these stands. These stands are something that this could be matched up and then printed through the Slant 3D print-on-demand plugin for Etsy. And these could be produced really reliably. You can make a profit off of them, and they're basically a background kind of passive income for the store. And then you can focus in on these really customized items where it's customer support's really important and the engagement is really important. But these kind of simple items can just kind of be printed and shipped out in the background and you don't have to worry about it. So these are a good item to like match up to a third-party fulfillment option. Though, again, this store only has 17 products, which is generally kind of low for an Etsy store. But what the heck do I know? He's done 4,500 sales here with really good, excellent reviews, good operations. QwKPrints, good job. This is a very good store. I am interested in seeing the full description on this. Again, videos, photos, context, things on your hand so people have an idea of how large the object is. It's really important to put stuff out inside the world. Okay, good description, detail, clips to other links to other listings. This is really good because people can bounce around your store without having to browse your store. You create the opportunity for an upsell right here, which is really good planning. Texas, good job, man. Nice. Good to keep it up. Yeah, good description, not generic, not default like ChatGPT output. Good stuff. Excellent. QwKPrints, very nice video. Good photos, good description, good product, a unique product. And since he's using 3D printing, you can create a really original product that nobody else can really get a hold of. These types of items that are fully customizable can't really be made any other way than with 3D printing. So yeah, excellent work there. Good store.